Hello, welcome to Dragon Eat. Today I'm making special tofu stir fry. Now I want to spend some time talking about the main ingredient here, this special tofu. Its name is 千页 tofu, which literally translates to 1000 page. There is not a unified answer why this food got this name. One version of the story is that the person who initially invented this food called it 百页, which means 100 pages. And then later the name get distorted as the food gets more and more popular and it somehow became 1000 page. The point is this is not the same kind of food as tofu that we usually talk about, and some people argue in terms of how it's made, this cannot even be considered tofu. It is soy-based product and it's very chewy, it has a very interesting texture. Now let's start cooking. The first step is to slice up the special tofu. I have some king trumpet mushroom here and I'm also slicing these up. You want to find a mushroom that has a tight and meaty texture, something that's not going to fall apart when we cook them. In terms of vegetables, today I'm preparing some broccoli and cauliflower and I'm cutting them into bite-sized pieces. The choice of vegetables really comes down to your personal preference, but I would prefer something chunky like broccoli or carrot instead of a leafy vegetable. Before I show you the next steps of cooking this dish, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so now as this will help me out a lot and you will see my future videos as soon as I post them. I started this channel purely because I love home cooking and I'm proud of my food culture. I want to make your life more flavorful by helping you recreate these amazing flavors at home in the easiest possible way. But I do need more support from you if you support my vision and you want to see me create new videos in a consistent way. Instead of asking for donations or tips, I want to do something that is win-win for both of us. I want to share my referral links to some great services that I have enjoyed a lot myself. By using my links and joining these services, you can get great benefits from them, and I will get a referral bonus from these companies as well. Like I said, this is a win-win for both of us. You can find my referral links in the description of every single video I post. Make sure you go through all of them and see which ones are right for you. Thank you so much for your support. Put the special tofu in a pot of water and bring it to a boil. After it's been boiling for a while, we can see the tofu gets inflated. This is when the special tofu is ready to be taken out of the pot. In the same water, add in the cauliflower and broccoli and boil them very quickly for about a minute. In the hot wok, add in some oil and then add some ground pork, chopped garlic, and ginger paste. Break up the ground pork as much as you can, and we want the pork to be fully cooked in this step. Add in the king trumpet mushroom and stir it around. This step is going to take a few minutes, but we want the moisture in the mushroom to be cooked out and the mushroom to be fully cooked. Now we add in the special tofu and the vegetables. Add some soy sauce. Stir everything around well and let all the flavors to mix together. Add some white pepper powder. The special fragrance from the white pepper really helps with the taste of this dish. Add salt. Oyster sauce. Add some sugar to brighten up all the flavors. and a little dark soy sauce. Add in some water along the side of the wok and stir everything around to bring all the flavors together. Add in some chicken flavor concentrate. And lastly, some chili oil and sesame oil. Now we're ready to serve. This is a dish that has everything, and the special tofu is so delicious because it acts as a sponge and absorbs all the flavors of added in the dish. Give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section what you think about it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell so you never miss a video in the future. I have a lot of amazing, authentic Chinese home cooking recipes coming up. Please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.